For those of you, I know you're looking at textbooks for textbook adoption. One of the most critical things you can look at if you're evaluating a textbook program or instructional materials is what are the quality of the instructional tasks. Because what you want is you want your instructional materials to do this heavy lifting for you. You want your instructional materials to have a coherent learning progression across lessons that are going to be based on the kind of learning goals we're talking about here. And you want lessons that are going to include these kind of tasks for students to engage in, so they're sequenced for you. So you can focus on how do I engage kids in the task, right? How do I focus on the learning? They're learning from the task. So it's all about the planning. That's why I say I don't want you out on the internet every night looking for tasks. What I'd rather have you have is a good set of tasks that you can focus on this work as opposed to going out and looking for things to do. So if you're thinking about materials and going to evaluate instructional materials, I mean, people tend to focus on like, where is this particular standard in this textbook? And they do the matchy-matchy. That's not what I would look at first. I would look at what's the quality of the instructional activity that students are going to be engaged in every day. If what you find in a book is the 3 inserts in every unit, there's a high cognitive demand task and the rest of it is pretty straightforward, low-level tasks, that's probably not going to support the kind of learning you want in your classroom, versus something that's engaging students in a sequence of tasks over days that are going to build conceptual understanding.